we will have a video presentation.
Speaker about this Southeast Asian
Ayan.
open swimming.
Open water. So, Kong Eric Sekjen, can you tell us more about our posting and how we came up with this one?
Okay. Thank you, Randy. No, the fourth, as you see, it's fourth Southeast Asia Aquatics. I don't know the first host, but the second host was Bali, Indonesia. Medyo solid ang Indonesia when it comes to hosting open water events. Nauna na sila sa atin. They actually had an open water event this year again, Asian level. Yes. Then the third was in Pattaya, Thailand. So sikat din na lugar sa beach nila sa Thailand. Tapos dito naman tayo sa Boracay. So nag-bid kami to host last year for in the Southeast Asia Aquatics Federation. So napagbigyan naman tayo. Tapos basically it's multi-event. Ang open water po kasi it's an Olympic event. It was I think 4 Olympics na kasama siya as a medal event talaga.
Starting in
Beijing, 08. So fifth na up to Paris. So medyo delayed ang Philippines pagdating dito sa promotion ng open water. Hindi na natin pasukan yun kasi kami naman umupo lang ng 2023. So, napilitan talaga tayo na ihabol ang ating bansa when it comes to this event. Since it is an Olympic event, kasabi nga ni Commissioner Fritz Gaston kanina, gusto ko lang dagdagan, we feel, Philippine Aquatics, na this event is something na medyo pwede mag-excel talaga ang Filipinos. Because una, yung venues are halos libre na. It's everywhere. 7,100 islands. Pangalawa, we just need to create opportunities. And maybe with this event, maiengganyo natin yung mga local governments to start setting up a open water, let's call it a training facility, a training center doon sa mga beaches nila. Ang katapat lang naman ito is basically a buoy. So, going back, it's a 10-kilometer race, men and women, 5-kilometer race, men and women, a new event, which is the 3 kilometers developmental race, and there is going to be the 4x1500 mixed relay event. Yun yung part ng championships. The championships is a 3-day event, August 21, August 22, August 23, which we are roughly mga 37 days before the opening. And then, sinamahan din mo natin to ng pagkakataon for our local swimmers. Now, we're starting to open it also to international swimmers to participate in the festival. The festival naman provides an opportunity for the others to witness, not just witness the top caliber swimmers from the international Southeast Asian countries, but also to swim in the same course na ilalagay natin, so yung championship course. The difference dito, Randy, is This is a course na parang circuit siya, umiikot siya. So nasa harap niyo lang, may 4 buoys, tapos doon umiikot yung mga swimmers in a direction na dictated by the technical committee. So hindi siya parang island to island or point to point. So ito talaga. The reason behind that is safety first. Mas madaling makontrol mo yung environment pag nasa harap mo lang siya. The course for the 10 kilometers, for example, is a 1.666 kilometer lap that they do 6 laps around to complete the 10 kilometers. So, bawat lap may time, tapos makikita nyo sino leading the race, and then at the end, i-announce yung mga winners for that particular distance. So, medyo iba rin talaga at natutuwa kami ng bigyan tayo ng pagkakataon sa Philippines to actually not just host it, but at the same time to promote our country in the same breath as we say Bali or Pattaya. Now we say
Pagandahan yata.
Pagandahan talaga. Ang feeling din namin is given the praying for the success and given the opportunity, baka we can do this event also in an international level on a bigger audience, di ba? Dahil nga marami tayong pwede ipagmalaki na mga tourist spots sa atin. So talagang sports tourism ito.
Tayo po ba may na-identify na ng mga open water swimmers talaga from different provinces in the Philippines? I understand, nakapag-hold na ng mga regional levels ang Department of Tourism dito, especially in Mindanao.
Ang malakas po ngayon is sa region ni VP Jojo, Region 6. Umikot na Department of Tourism doon, open water event. Lawag, Ilocos, meron silang training center na talaga doon, hosted by the isang mayor. Tapos sa Mindanao, Davao, marami rin events na hino-host open water. I think an event coming up is Samal Island. Iikutin yung island ng Samal. So, napopromote na open water talaga lang.
Thank you po. Nakikita namin kayo. Si